Oh, you're getting up. Okay, it's food time. This what you're doing right now. It's about me. I know this. All right, let's go. Let's get this food. My expectations are so high right now. The only thing higher than my expectations is me when I'm on catnip. Am I right? This is the greatest day of my entire life. Oh my God, you're giving me cooked food? You must really love me. And if that food's not for me, you must really hate me. One second, I'll be right up there. All right, I'm just gonna take a little taste of this food here. Just a little taste. Ah! Ugh. I find you very confusing. Meow. I'm gonna rub up on you right now, man. You like this? You like what's going on right now? I literally just fed you. I think this is an equal exchange of goods and services. I'm doing this because you're feeding me right now. Okay, fine. Here you go. Hell yeah, dude. Clean that up.